Hey, what I have here in this box for a DIY guy, a tool that is going to save you a lot of trouble. How about the ANCEL BR2000 one person brake bleeder kit? When I found out about this, I was so excited. Can you imagine not needing a second person to pump the brakes and to do one caliper at a time? Well, as I pull it apart here, these are the tanks that collect the fluid at each brake bleeder. You've got 4. You've got the little rubber suction cup that comes on the top right over the brake bleeder. You've got hooks to hold them in place. Great little carry kit. And here are your adapters. The way this works is through pulsating as if you were pressing on the brake pedal with your foot, but it uses its own type compressor. Brake fluid service adapter, full pack. Now if you look around here, I've got all kinds. I've got BMW, I got Audi, I've got Mercedes. Oh, of course I got an old Volkswagen behind me. That's not going to work on that fella. And then over here I do have another Volkswagen. So we've got vehicle makes: Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, VW, Porsche, Saab, Mazda, Lexus. You got Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, Mitsubishi, Buick Century, whoa, Ford Focus, Ford Edge, Honda, BYD, how about that? We don't have any BYD in America yet, can't wait though. Toyota series, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Suzuki, Mitsubishi. So you could just work right through the top of the master cylinder. These open up, thread up over the cap, and then the machine will apply the pressure through the top of the master cylinder, push all the air out of the lines, and push the new fluid in, old fluid out. Things to keep in mind: look at this. You are able to power it off a 12-volt source. So let's say the battery happens to be up front. Well, that would make it easy. Or, any 12-volt connection under the hood. Or if you got a battery you're carrying around with you, this is DIY. So any creative way you can come up with, this tool is going to work for you. You take a look here. I've got the cover off for the master cylinder. This being a BMW, it's just going to use a number 1. You're just looking for the right thread size. This is a real common one. That on there nice and tight. Don't lose your cap. All right, well, let's go ahead and get some fresh brake fluid in here. What I'm going to do here is I want to bleed the air out of the line. So I'm just going to do a quick test right here. I've got some pressure. We're going to hit start. I've got the pulse set to 1. And there you go. Just to give you a quick show right here how this all works. So we can pick different pulse modes and obviously set the times, and then we can set our pressures. So I'm going to hit start here. I already got the line. Now you watch your pressure gauge here, and if you want a little more, you could just dial it up like that, or if you want to back it off, you can go like that. You want to pause it right here. And then you just watch your timer. You let this run, and then you're going to watch your bleeders. They are accumulating all the old brake fluid, and you can just keep running it through. Make sure you keep this full, and you'll completely replace all the brake fluid in all your lines if you want to do all 4 at the same time, or if you're just doing one caliper, however you want. Another nice little feature is right here. You got relief pressure stop. So if I just want to relieve the pressure, I got the unit off right now, but that's right there. It's real simple to remove. I'm just going to pull that line right there and clean that off. A Volkswagen, it's got the battery right here at the top, so we're just going to get my ground on there. And it's going to be the same procedure. We want to get the right connector for this car. Number 1 works there. We just want to make sure we got all of our brake bleeders open, whatever calipers we're working on. Make sure again that we're full of fluid. The pulse works great. I tried 1, 2, and 3. You know, it's you know, if a car's stubborn, you can increase the pressure, but anywhere from 1, 1.5 psi seems to be plenty of pressure. And you know, we're just going to repeat the process on this vehicle. We just did our fitting on. We got our pressure, power connected. We got plenty of brake fluid. I'll just hit the machine. I'll hit start. Make sure I got the right pressure. And away it goes. So this ANCEL BR2000 Elite, I mean, it'll do it all. I mean, it has taken my brake jobs and turned them into a piece of cake.